welcome to day 5 of 31 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. Today is going to be a good one. Today I'll be telling you all about some of my favorite horror movie review channels here on YouTube. All of their channels will of course be linked in the description box below, so if you haven't checked them out yet, I highly recommend you do. This list is in no particular order. I adore all of these channels and I hope you will as well. First up, we have Horrible Reviews. Unfortunately, he doesn't upload much anymore, but this Dutch YouTuber is who got me into watching more of the disturbing films. He has a few really awesome series on his channel, like Most Disturbing Films or films by certain directors. Out of all of the reviewers on this list, he's probably the one who I agree with most about films. Next up, we have Nightmare Maven. She's a smaller YouTuber, but already has over 600 videos. Her reviews are straight to the point, and I like that she's not afraid to dislike a movie that everyone else loves. She's not going to sugarcoat how she feels about a film, and it's that honesty that makes me really enjoy her stuff. Okay, now let's talk about Spooky Rice. His Disturbing Breakdown series is probably the best thing ever. If you ever wanted to watch a film quickly, he's your guy. He takes the movie, breaks it down to all of the most important parts, including all of the disturbing stuff, and packages it neatly into a single video between 10 and 30 minutes long. Such a great series. If you've never checked his stuff out, I highly recommend it. Next up is Possessed by Horror. I really dig her videos, and just like Nightmare Maven, she isn't afraid to speak negatively on a film. And like most of the channels on this list, she's very good at putting spoiler warnings in her video before she talks spoilers, which of course gives the audience a chance to turn off the video if they don't want to have anything spoiled. As someone who hates going to the theater these days because of terrible audiences, I appreciate that I can watch her videos while waiting for the movie to come out on streaming platforms. Also, she has 2 other channels where she does really fun videos like decorating her house for Halloween, so absolutely check her out. Next, we have Ryan Hollinger. In addition to the regular movie reviews, Ryan makes really cool deep dive videos into the meanings behind movies. And he really goes deep into underlying meanings and symbolism of films and why they mean what they do. I'm making it sound much more complicated than it actually is, but his videos are beautifully done. Want to know if The Road is still the most depressing story ever told? Check out his channel. And I know I said this list wasn't in any particular order, but I admit I saved my favorite for last. Spooky Astronauts has probably the best horror movie review channel in my opinion. She's so great at not spoiling anything about the movies she reviews. Her editing is flawless, and you can tell she lives and breathes horror. She's constantly interacting with her audience, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that fact alone. Emma also does these amazing deep dive interviews with actors and directors, including Lawrence R. Harvey, who you may know from The Human Centipede 2 and 3. She also has awesome series like That Scene and Does This Offend You, which is a monthly live stream she created with Nightmare Maven. Hell, I like her channel so much, I'm a Patreon. Anywho, that's going to do it for today. I'll be back tomorrow with more of my spooky tales. Again, you can find links to my previous videos in the description below, as well as links to all of the awesome channels that I've mentioned in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.